All right, so this one is on our couch in our house, and that's how much of a difference there is between the height of the top of the cushions versus the RV, where this thing was only an inch off, right? So it's 5 inches difference. So if I wanted to use this on a regular basis in the house, then I would take this post, I would remove the tenon, the metal tenon at the top, take it out, cut off about 4.5 inches, and then put the metal tenon, the threaded metal tenon, I'd remount it on there. Well, then it would fit perfect, because otherwise, if you do it this way, it actually becomes uncomfortable, and it's tippier than it needs to be. Like if you're going to put a cup on it or something, and then if you put a mouse on it, which is the way that I use it a lot, and so what happens there is your elbow is dropping down and you're constantly having to hold up. Whereas if it were down here closer to the surface, ergodynamically, whatever. Anyways, it would be a lot more comfortable. So everything else is cool. You know, the whole coffee cup, the wine stem thing is going to work just fine. And if I put the pegs in, I can have my cell phone up here with the charger coming up from underneath, and the Android, and of course the remote control. We can slip that in there at any time, which would be the more common thing going on in the house, right? You'd have your remote control in there. But for mousing, it needs to be down here. Now, I'm looking at the possibility of making the posts adjustable, so I just need to play with that on another one, and we'll see how that goes, because that would actually solve a lot of problems. Not problems, but, you know, whatever.